Hi, good evening. My name is Giancarlo Levano, and for the assignment of my anatomy and physiology lab class, I will be talking about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system main functions is to produce, maintain, and transport sperm and protective fluid, which is the semen. Also, it is to discharge the sperm within the female reproductive tract and to produce and secrete male sex hormones. Most of the male reproductive system is located outside of the man's abdominal cavity or pelvis. The external structures of the male reproductive system are the penis, the scrotum, and the testicles. The penis. The penis is the male organ for sexual intercourse. It has three parts: the root, which attaches to the wall of the abdomen, the body or shaft, and the glans, which is the cone shape of the penis. The glans, which also is called the head of the penis, is covered with a loose layer of skin called foreskin. This skin is sometimes removed in a procedure called circumcision. The opening of the urethra, the tube that transports semen and urine, is at the tip of the glans penis. The penis also contains a number of sensitive nerve endings. The scrotum. The scrotum is a loose pouch like a sack of skin that hangs behind the penis. It contains the testicles, or also called the testes, as well as many nerves and blood vessels. The scrotum has a protective function and acts as a climate control system for the testes. Testicles, or testes. The testes are oval organs about the size of a very large olives that lie in the scrotum, secure at either end by a structure called the spermatic cord. Most men have two testes. These testes are responsible for making testosterone, which is a primary male sex hormone, and for producing sperm. The epididymis. The epididymis is a long, coiled tube that rests on the backside of each testicle. It functions in the carrying and storage of the sperm cells that are produced in the testes. It also is the job of the epididymis is to bring the sperm to maturity, since the sperm that emerges from the testes are immature and incapable of fertilization, which is right here. The urethra. The urethra, it is a tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside of the body. In males, it has the additional function of expelling, which is ejaculating, semen when the man reaches orgasm. When the penis is erected during sex, the flow of urine is blocked from the urethra, allowing only semen to be ejaculated at orgasm.